In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know who viewed my LinkedIn profile. If you want to check who has been visiting your LinkedIn profile, the process is quick and simple once you know where to look. This can be useful if you're networking, job hunting, growing your professional brand, or just curious about who has been showing interest in your profile. To begin, go to your LinkedIn homepage and look at the top of the screen. You'll see your profile picture along with the Me icon. Click on that to open the account menu. This is the main place where LinkedIn gives you access to your personal profile and other account-related options, so it's the first step to getting where you need to go. From the menu that appears, click View Profile. This will take you directly to your profile page where you can review your professional information the same way other people may be seeing it. It's also the area where LinkedIn groups together important insights about your visibility and profile activity. Once you're on your profile page, scroll down until you find the Analytics section on the right side of the page. This section gives you a quick overview of how your profile is performing and how people are engaging with it. If you're using LinkedIn regularly, this is a very helpful section to become familiar with because it shows activity related to your profile presence. In that Analytics section, look for the option that shows your profile views. It will appear as a clickable line with a number followed by the words Profile Views. Click on that number to open the full list. After you open it, LinkedIn will show you more details about profile visitors, depending on your account settings and the privacy settings of the people who viewed you. In some cases, you may see full names and profile details. In other cases, you might only see limited information, especially if someone chose to browse in private mode. So, if the list looks incomplete, that's normal and depends on LinkedIn's privacy features. A helpful tip is to check this section regularly, especially if you're actively applying for jobs, making connections, or updating your profile. An increase in profile views can sometimes be a sign that your activity is getting attention. That's all it takes to see who viewed your LinkedIn profile. Follow those steps, and you'll be able to access your profile view information directly from your LinkedIn account.